Dear students, welcome to class 11. So we'll study new things in this year. Class 10 maths and 9 maths was a bit different. So we'll start with one easy chapter, the first chapter, that is called set. So what is called a set? Set is called a well-defined collection of objects. What is called a well-defined collection of objects? Suppose I write down one example here. The first 4 natural numbers of English alphabet. First 4 natural numbers. So when you talk about the natural numbers, the first number will be 1, 2, 3, 4. First is 1, then 2, 3, 4, because we have taken the first 4 natural numbers. So if you are able to list out the elements, then that is called a well-defined collection of objects. So that will be called a set. Means this is a set. The representation of set is like this: 2 curly brackets, and these are the elements of the set. So I can write, if this is set A, I can say 1 belongs to A. Remember, this is called belongs to. 1 belongs to A. 2 belongs to A, because 2 is also present here. I can say 5 doesn't belong to A, because 5 is not present here. Okay, so let's take more examples of well-defined collection of objects. So if I take another example here, B is a set. Suppose the English alphabets between C and F. So which are the English alphabets between C and F? Are you able to collect or not? Yes, we can collect it, because you can write that is D is here, E is here. So if you are able to list out, then this is called a set. Okay, similarly if I take another example here, the students of class 11 science. If I write students of class 11 science, now the question is, which school students you are going to write? It is not mentioned here. So this is not well defined. If you are not able to list out the elements, then it is called not well defined. That is why you will write this is not a set. Okay, now if you take another one, the students of class 11 science, Deurali Girls Senior Secondary School. Still it is not a set, because the students of class 11 science, Deurali school, but which year it is not mentioned. Still it is not a set, because you cannot write the names of the students, because the year is not mentioned here. Which year students you are going to write here? So this is not well defined, it is not a set. Similarly, if I take Another example here. The students of class 11 science of Devrali Girls Senior Secondary School of the year 2020. Then it is well defined because you can list out the students of the year 2020, those are studying science. So you can write out the names here. So that will be called a set. Okay, now the question is, how do you represent a set? Representation of a set, there are two ways. Representation of a set. Okay, there are two ways to represent. One is roster form. Roster form means what? Listing the elements. Listing the elements. Just like you have listed out the elements, the previous examples. Then second is set builder form. Set builder form means symbolic representation of a set. Symbolic representation of a set. Instead of writing one by one, if you write in a symbolic form, then that will be called set builder form. Okay, now let's discuss in detail what is called roster form, what is called set builder form. Suppose first question I took here. Write in roster form. Write in roster form. Suppose we are given a set here. Set of all x. Means symbolic form, look at here. Set of all x such that x belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. And this is the symbol of and. Slowly we will learn the symbols. Okay? And 1 lies between, so x lies between 1 and 4. What is the meaning of this? Now you have to list out all the natural numbers from 1 to 4. Equality means 1 will be taken, 4 will be taken. So which are the natural numbers now? 1 to 4. Now you have to list out from here. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the roster form. This is the set builder form. Okay, let's take one more example. Suppose I have another example here. Set of all x such that x equals to 2n plus 1 where n belongs to natural number and n is less than equal to 3. Look at, bit different again. Set of all x such that x is in the form of 2n plus 1. What is this n here? Now n is a natural number. How many natural numbers we have? The natural numbers up to 3. First you write down n ka value. What are the starting of natural number? 1, 2, because equality is here you have to take 3. So now you put the value of 1, 2, 3 in this, find x. So first when you put n is equal to 1, when you put n equals to 1, what will be x? X will be 2 into 1 plus 1. 2n plus 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then put x equals to 2. Next number is 2. The x will be 2 into 2 plus 1. How much? 5. Then put n equals to 3. Put n equals to 3. X will be 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 7. So which are the values of x you got? You got 3, 5, 7, because you need to collect x. So the answer became for us 3, 5, 7. Okay, see another one. A is a Gauss set of all x such that x is equal to n square. X is n square. N belongs to natural number. Natural number. Then n lies between 1 and 5. Look at here. Natural number 1 to 5. 5 is not included here, 1 is not included. So what are the values of n now? 1 you cannot take, only n you have to take. What are the values of n now? 1 not taken, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now put these n values in x is equal to n square form. So you will get, for n equals to 2, x is 2 square, because n square, that is 4. N equals to 3, x will be 3 square, that is 9. N equals to 4, x is equal to 4 square, 16. N equals to 5, x is equal to 5 square, that is 25. So values of x, what did you get? Because you want to find all the x, not all the n here. Set of all x. So collect all x from here. So the answer will be what is the answer you got? You got 4, 9, 16, 25. So this is how you write from roster form to set builder form. Sorry, set builder form to roster form. Now write in set builder form. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is given you in the roster form, you have to write in the set builder form. So first you notice what is the relation you are finding here. The relation is these are the even numbers 2 to 10. So you can write A equals to set of all x such that, because set builder form you will start like this, set of all x such that x belongs to E. What is E here? E means even number. Okay, and what are the even numbers you have taken here? 2 to 10. So you have to write here 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 10. All the even numbers from 2 to 10 you have taken here. Okay, suppose another question. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 suppose. The outer right. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is what? If you look it carefully, it is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Square form. So, the square of which one? The square of all natural numbers you are finding. So you can write here that will be set of all x such that x equals to n square. Why n square? Because it is in the square form. Then what is that n here? N are the natural numbers. So write n belongs to n. This n belongs to natural number. Are you taking all natural numbers? No. Then you are taking from 1 to 5. So you write n 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 5. Okay. Let's take one more. 0, 1, 8, 27, 64 suppose. You have to find what type of format is this. What link you are finding here? The link is, it is 0 cube, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. Here it was square form, now it is cube form. So you can write set of all x such that x equals to n cube. N cube. So n cube means, what are these n here? Here the n was natural numbers. Starting was 1, but the starting is 0, means n belongs to whole number. Are you taking all the whole numbers? No, you are taking the whole numbers which are from 0 to 4. That is, n lies between 0 and 4. Okay, let's take another question here. Suppose 3, 6, 9, 12. D is a set, suppose 3, 6, 9, 12. What pattern you find here? You find as multiple of 3. Because it is what? 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Okay? Now, 3 into which numbers? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural numbers, multiple of 3. So you are writing set of all x such that x equals to 3n form. Why 3n here? Because n is the natural number here. So you can write n belongs to natural number. And what else you will find? Now that n is between what and what? That is 1 to 4. Okay, let's take another question. Suppose I'll take one more. One or two questions will take one or take textbook. List all the elements of the following sets. List all the elements of the following sets. One set is suppose given to us. What is given to us? Now that is given x is an odd natural number. Set of all x is an odd natural number. That means list means roster form. So which are the odd natural numbers you find from here? That is 1, because natural number odd means starting from 1, 3, 5, 7, like this it will continue because there is no last number here. Okay. Similarly, suppose you take x is an integer between 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. Set of all x such that x is an integer between 1 by 2, or you can write such that 1 by 2 less than x less than minus 1 by 2 I have taken 9 by 2. Look at here. When equality is not here, these two are not considered. That means between these you have to find out. Okay, see the number line. So number line, this is your 0. This is minus 1. This is your minus half. So minus half you put here 9 by 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 by 2 means 4.5. This is your 9 by 2. Between minus half and 9 by 2, you have to take all the integers. Fractions we are not considering, only integers. So what are the elements here now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So all the integers between minus half and 9 by 2. Similarly, you can take one more. All the letters of the word trigonometry. Here is one important thing to list out. Look at here. In the set, repeating elements are not taken. Like repeating means, look at here, T is here, again T is here, but you have to take once. R is here, again R is here, you take one. I, G, O, N, again O is repeating, will not take. Then M, then E, T already have taken, R taken, then Y. So this is how we write the elements from roster to set builder to roster. So our first class, introduction class, will not study more today. So you try to solve your first chapter, first exercise. That is question number 1, 2, 3, 4 as homework. Try to complete. Very simple questions are there. We'll complete this. Okay.